Hi everyone, today I will show you how to track large file storage or LFS in Git in just 1 minute. Let's get started. First, install Git LFS in the repository folder by running Git LFS install. As you can see, now the Git LFS is initialized. Next, you need to tell which file types are to be tracked with LFS. For example, to track all .zip files, you run git lfs track star.zip. Here star means all the files which are ending with .zip, or you can either add the file name itself like this. Now you can also see a .git attributes file is also created. And in this file, it gives the reference of the large file system. Let's add the git attributes file and large files to your git repository. For that, use the command git add.git attributes, then path to the large file, that is zip file. Now let's commit with a message. Finally, push your changes to your remote repository using the command git, and that's it. Now, Git LFS will handle your large files, making sure your repository is faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for more quick tips, see you next time.